Hello aspirants, I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of ANALYST IAS. Our today's topic for topic Decodified is the purse seine fishing. So we will see in detail about this. So हम देखेंगे why in news, what is purse seine fishing, then what are the concerns, what is the significance, then we will see what is the marine boundary of India. After that we will see what is United Nations Convention on Laws of the Sea. This is important. और इसके बाद हम देखेंगे different maritime zones under the UNCLOS UNCLOS. Now, why in news? Supreme Court has given permission to the fisherman using purse seine fishing gear to fish beyond territorial waters, which is 12 nautical miles, and within the exclusive economic zone, which is 200 nautical miles of the sea of Tamil Nadu, but observing certain restrictions. This comes in the backdrop against the banning of purse seine fishing by the Tamil Nadu government in the February of 2022. So what is purse seine fishing? A purse seine is made of long wall of netting frame with floating and lead line and having purse rings hanging from the lower edge of the gear, through which runs a purse line made of steel wire or rope which allow the pursing of the net. The technique is considered to be an efficient form of fishing and has been widely deployed on India's western coasts. Now, it is used in the open ocean to target dense schools of single species pelagic fish like tuna and mackerel. Now, this is what purse seine fishing is. These are the purse rings. Basically एक पर्स को जिस टाइप से बंद कर लिया जाता है उसी टाइप से नेट फेंक कर देन ये सारे रिंग्स होते हैं, इनको वापस से खींचा जाता है. लेटर ऑन ये यहां से बंद होना शुरू हो जाएगा और ये एकदम बंद हो जाता है. लेटर ऑन इसको एकदम बांध लिया जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट पर्स सेine फिशिंग इज. सो यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. नाउ व्हाट आर द कंसर्न्स अबाउट इट? Court's order seems to be more concerned about regulating the fishing and administrative and transparency measures than about conservative measures and obligations under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Purse seiners tend to overfish, unlike traditional fishermen using traditional fish gear, thus endangering the livelihood of traditional fishers. This is obvious. It is a non-targeted fishing gear and catches all sorts of fish which come in the way of the net, including juveniles. Hence, they are very much detrimental to marine resources. A major concern is the dwindling availability of oil sardines, a favorite of Kerala fish eaters. Non-selective fishing methods by purse seiners resulting in the bycatch of other marine living species as well, which could include endangered species like turtle and anything, may threaten a potential trade embargo. What is the importance or significance? A boat that uses purse seine gear will be full of fish. The method does not exploit other species since it focuses on shoaling fishes only. Now, purse seiners can reach more than 6,500 feet in length and 650 feet or 200 meter in depth, varying in size according to the vessel, mesh size and target species. Now, this is the maritime boundary of India. Total area of marine survey is 3.5 million square kilometer. This up to 200 nautical miles. This is the exclusive economic zone of India. Now, what is UNCLOS? The UNCLOS 1982 is an international agreement that establishes the legal framework for marine and maritime activities. It is also known as the Law of the Sea. It divides marine areas into 5 main zones, namely internal water, territorial sea, contiguous zone, exclusive economic zone and the high seas. We will further see about it. It is the only international convention which stipulates a framework for state jurisdiction in maritime spaces. It provides a different legal status to different maritime zones as well. So different maritime zones are internal waters, archipelagic waters, territorial water, contiguous water, exclusive economic zones, continental shelf and high seas. This is the diagram. This is the national airspace and this one is the international airspace. Up to 12 nautical miles is the territorial sea and up to 200 nautical miles from the baseline is the exclusive economic zone. This one is the exclusive economic zone. Now, then there is the continental shelf. After that, there would be deep seabed, and these are the high seas. So, permission have been given of this zone. Now, we will come to our today's prelims practice question. Other than poaching, what are the possible reasons for the decline in the population of the Ganges reverse dolphin? Pause the video, try to answer. Basically, if you see very closely, this second option, increase in the population of the crocodiles in the river, this is very irrelevant. So therefore, eliminate 2 and you get the answer as 3 is the correct option. Now we will come to our today's main practice question, that define blue revolution, explain the problems and strategies of pisciculture development in India, and you can also explain different maritime zones in brief as well. So this was all about today's topic and video. Stay tuned for the next one. Have a great day.